Hello guys, I am Hitram from Knowledge of Royal Enfield. So today we will talk about master cylinder problem in rear disc brake of Classic 350 and Thunderbird 350, or which are double disc bikes. So if your rear disc brake creates any problem like it is jam and not working properly, so you have to not change your master cylinder, because a major kit is available in local market, or you can purchase it from Royal Enfield stores, so you can easily put it in your bike and your disc brake will work properly. So now we start the video and I will tell you how can you change the major kit in your bike of rear disc brake. And I tell you, the master cylinder is very costly. You can say it is about 1800, and the major kit is only 270 rupees. So its MRP is 277 rupees. It is your choice if you change the master cylinder or major kit. So it is our bike Royal Enfield Classic 350 gunmetal grey. So there is a problem in its disc brake of rear disc brake. So it's creating some problems like when you press the brake pedal, the brakes are not working properly. So we will change its major kit for improvement of brakes. So when you go somewhere for this problem, so you have to not change your master cylinder of disc brake, because it is so costly, and the major kit will work same for that place. So you can see where is our master cylinder and how will we change the major kit in master cylinder. There are many problems in disc brake of Classic 350 double disc or Thunderbird, and which are ABS bikes. So there are same problem, because when you press the brake pedal, and sometimes the wheel of rear disc brake jam and runs very tightly, so its pump is not working properly. So I will show you the major kit of rear disc pump, and before it we will clean it with petrol and change the major kit. Now we will open the lock and extract the major kit from master cylinder. So you can see it, how can I open the lock and extract the major kit and replace the new major kit with greasing, because it is not more difficult to extract the major kit in the pumps. It is little bit difficult to extract the major kit from pump, and you have to some hard work for come out it. The major kit has been come out from the pump, and now we will extract it plastic body where the major kit works. Now we will clean its area and come out the ring. And after that we will install the major kit of Royal Enfield rear disc brake. So guys, I want to tell you that this measure kit you can use only in Bybrage pump. I mean the brand name of Bybre of disc pumps. You can use it only because you cannot use it in endurance pump because its measure kit is very different from this measure kit. So almost all master cylinders made by Bybrage, but some master cylinder are made by endurance because Bybrage measure kit is easily available in the market, but endurance pump measure kit is not available because I have searched many times in the market, but endurance measure kits are not available. But which are Bybrage master cylinder, you can install this measure kit in their body, and it is a genuine part of Royal Enfield. So you can see how can you change it because there are 3 or 4 parts like washer and o-ring and spring. So you can see it how will I change it, and you can also change it. And if you not change it, you can go any shop and your mechanic will change it, and it will originally work like your master cylinder, new master cylinder, and you can save your money about 1300 rupees because master cylinder never damage. So I have installed it and you will see it is working properly. So now we will make a pressure of it, I mean oil pressure, and the brake will work very easily. So friends, you have to pump only 1 minute with brake pedal and press the injection very tightly, and your brake pressure will make only in 1 minute and your brake will work properly. So if you like my video, so you can like it and share this video in your friends. Bye bye.